So just a quick recap, guys, for yesterday, Wednesday the 13th, I think, today the 14th. Would make sense, wouldn't it? We traded the Aussie dollar long. I need my Mr. Squiggle. It came down and nearly touched the band here and gave a buy signal, but it wasn't quite enough touch. So 99.50 held it up for a few hours, and we wanted to see it break that, and it did break it, but it closed back just above it. But the important thing was it came back and retested, actually tested that, or within a pip or so. You could actually see on a smaller time frame there is actually a tweezer bottom here, bounce. If you say on a 15 or a 5 minute, you would probably have divergence in here long. The T1, and then set up an inside bar and across on the stochastic. So I then moved my stop up to below, because that could have been a reversal here against this. Moved my stop up to below this red candle. Now the weird thing was, price started rallying, and I think it happened to us at T1. I have no idea why, absolutely no idea what happened, but it just, half my position was cashed in. Well, not really, because it's not the trade that I wanted. Anyway, nothing we can do about that. The stop was moved to break even. It survived. After that happened, I then took T2 and manually put it at T1. Just be safe if it got to parity, and that's what happened. So I'm not going to even count that 10 or so pips. Be conservative and round down. So I'm just going to count that last position as plus 0.5 units. I'm not going to worry about whatever the plus little bit was here. That's just a bonus, but I won't actually report that. I'll just report half before it, and never seen it before. I don't know what happened. I did see in the chat it happened to someone else. So Chris, it happened to you. So anyway, it was still a positive trade in a very slow market. I'll take half a unit any day. So happy with that. So again, I manually changed. Once I was cashed in T1, there was only one position left, and I then changed the target of position T2 to the original T1, if that makes sense. That was very peculiar, but anyway, that's what happened. Positive trade was the only trade we took. It now seems to be making a bit of a head and shoulder, doesn't it? Okay, so let's have a look at what's happening today. Let me bring up some charts. Head and shoulders, yeah.